What's the difference between a will and a trust? A will is a legal document that allows everyone, including the authorities, to know where you want your assets to go when you die. It can also include legal guardianship instructions for your minor children or other dependents, including your pets. A will must go through the court of probate, whereby your will, death certificate and schedule of assets is presented to claim your assets. When this is approved, a grant is given. Your executor can then collect your assets and distribute them as you have instructed through your will. Probate often takes time due to red tape delays, the inefficient valuation of your assets, or the general busyness of the court system. A living trust, however, is a legal structure created for the immediate distribution of your assets to the named beneficiaries of your trust, which can also include the settlor. While your assets are in the trust, such as cash, shares, or investments, the named beneficiaries can receive the contents of the trust upon request according to the priority stated in the trust. As the settlor of the trust, you still have post-mortem control of your assets, as you have stated the distribution of your estate when you created the trust. With a trust, your family does not have to wait for the permission of third parties to access to what is effectively already theirs. However, not everything should or can go into a trust, so you still need to create a will to distribute the rest of your assets. A will prevents confusion, whilst a living trust creates immediate financial assistance to your loved ones. We are happy to help, so please contact us at Carey Suen.